Hey guys, today I am going to just be doing a talking video. This has nothing to do with magic or cards. It's just say happy Bonfire Night to everyone. This will be uploaded the day after, because I've literally just come back in from watching the fireworks, which are, well, my windows are behind where the camera is now, and if I turned the camera around you'd be able to see the bonfire, because literally, in the town I live in, the annual bonfire, which last year I think got 6,500 people, is literally on a massive field outside my house. So pretty convenient, but I go outside anyway, which my hands are freezing. This time sequence of this is going to be a bit jumbled up, because now I shall put in a series of clips of the fireworks and the bonfire, and after that I'll do tomorrow morning's, which is actually the day that this was uploaded on. I'll do like an aftermath of the bonfire. So here it is, guys. Warning: the following sequence of clips contains multiple bright flashing lights. If you suffer from epilepsy, then please refrain from watching. Thank you. Hey guys, so hope you enjoyed that montage, just showing you a quick clip of the remnants of the bonfire. You probably can't see it at all. There's the fire truck, the two lights over there waiting to put it out properly. Well, you definitely can't see that. You might be able to make out a little blur on the screen. It's pretty clear, but my camera quality, obviously, as you will have seen, isn't that good. You can probably see it a bit there. It's just some smoke going up over here-ish. And my house is literally right there. That's one of the lights from the windows. So it's about 150 meters. So just thought I'd show you that before the aftermath clip. There's a firework going off in the background. So coming up, there's another one over there. Getting distracted now. Coming up is just the aftermath clip. Hopefully I'll be a bit closer and it will be a lot brighter. So bye. Hey guys, so this is kind of the aftermath video. It's, well, makes it sound a bit sinister, but that's all that's left. And you can see like a brownish ring like here. That's actually where the edge of the bonfire was. And try and show you, you can see my shadow. It's about I don't know. Well, it's pretty much a circle. And I'd say it was about 20 meters across-ish. So there's just a few ashes still flying up. And my house is literally like along here and up there. Probably can't see it, it's a bit bright. And before, the fire truck was just over there somewhere. And the smoke was going about 40 or 50 feet up and then going over. And the bonfire was probably about 20 or 30 feet high. So it was pretty big. So that's pretty much it. This video will probably turn out being pretty long, and it has nothing at all to do with magical cards, so I hope you didn't get too bored. Just once again wanted to say happy Guy Fawkes Night, or Bonfire Night, even though it is the day after. Thanks for watching, guys, and I shall see you all next time.